धन्यवाद सभापति महोदय। तो सर मैं किसकी बात कर रहा हूँ कि आज बैंकिंग सिस्टम अनफेयर हो चुका है। बैंकिंग सिस्टम आज गरीब, किसान, छात्र, अनुसूचित जाति के लिए, आदिवासी समाज के लिए नहीं काम कर रहा सर। एक समय था सर कि इंदिरा गांधी जी ने बैंकों का राष्ट्रीयकरण किया था। क्यों किया था? ताकि गरीब को बैंकिंग सिस्टम
I have given you so many opportunities.
बैंक की बात कर रहा हूं सर।
No.
अब बैंक, I'm talking about banks now.
Sir,
I'm talking about banks.
Sir, why are you taking proper norms?
I'm talking about the history.
Talk about the bill. Why are you talking about the proper norms?
Sir, let me. I am by giving you that the banking system today is unfair and it is broken. The banking system, when it undergo nationalization, the objective was to open bank branches in remote areas and to make banking accessible to the poor STs. And that is what is not happening today. What is happening with farmers? Farmers who want their KCC loans to be renewed are not getting because their credit rating is not being corrected by the banks. Students who want student loans, who are from ST communities, they want student loans. They are first generation learners. They are not getting student education loans. What is happening to startups, young startups, people who are coming from the poor and middle class, who don't have a land bank as a collateral, but they want to open up a startup, they are not getting bank loans. MSMEs, SMEs who want to expand their bank, they have to run around banks and CEOs and managers. They have to keep going, knocking on doors, but they still don't get the requisite funds to expand the project. And that is why the banking system today is broken. So we also have recommendations to this bill.
Thank you,
As
sir.
opposition, we can also recommend. What are we recommending? You give more teeth to SEBI. SEBI wants to investigate, but it has no CBI power, income tax power, ED power. Why? Because CBI, income tax, ED are all busy after opposition politicians.
Concluding, what way is it relevant to the bill now?
How will they find where Mehul Chokshi is?